to my channel. I have a couple unboxings that I am doing, and one I've already did, so this is number 2 today. Sorry, I'm wearing the same outfit in each one. But this is from eBay. So I purchased, that's funny, these are originally from Best Buy. So I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. They are the tile, and these are the white ones. Let me see if, yeah, these are all white ones. I got these off of Amazon, so really excited to use those. I have been using my tile that is on my regular keys, and I really like it. So I picked up these from